Flooding is the most common natural disaster in the U.S., and it can happen in all 50 states, so it's important to know a few basics if you experience a flood. At home, move anything valuable to upper floors or upper shelves and store in plastic containers. Stay where you are unless you're ordered to evacuate. Then, do it quickly. If there's time before you leave, secure the house. Set the main switch in your circuit breaker to off. Then turn off the main water valve, which may be located outside near the water meter, in the garage, or on a basement wall near either the front of the house or your water heater. To release pressure from the pipes, turn on one set of cold and hot water faucets until the water no longer runs. Then turn it off. It's a good idea to know how to make all of these preparations before you evacuate. In the car, don't walk or drive through floodwaters. Just 6 inches of water can sweep you away, and 12 inches can sweep your car away. Bridges can get washed out when there's fast-moving water. Avoid them if possible. Listen to news reports and don't return home until given the all clear. Live smart. GEICO. We're more than just car insurance.